Hello everyone, my name is Petre. This is my first video for my YouTube channel, which I am starting today. I will not edit this video, and the script for this video ends right now. We are officially unscripted. What I am trying to do with this YouTube channel is to build my artificial intelligence project in the wild. I mean in public. I have created a folder on my desktop where I will put documents related to this project. Um, and I like using Obsidian, so we are going to write here in Obsidian things related to this project. I will also put the files for this project on GitHub, and let you see everything. So a good first file would be a readme for our project. I mean my project. I'm not sure if we will collaborate, if anyone wants to collaborate with me on this project yet, or how I would collaborate. I would like to collaborate with other people. So I have been thinking about artificial intelligence since I have finished my graduate degree, um, and I did a master in artificial intelligence. I used artificial intelligence for many days at my job. I am working as a software engineer, and the current boom in AI, I think it's a lot of hype to it, but there is also a significant progress compared to the artificial intelligence before ChatGPT. I see a lot of problems with the large language models and generative AI in being a true AI. So since I started my master degree, I wanted to work on, well, actually, when I started my master degree, ChatGPT didn't exist, but I was dreaming about how a system like ChatGPT could be built, something that would behave like a human to pass the Turing test and so on. Um, where was I? So yeah, the I was dreaming about building something like ChatGPT. It After ChatGPT has appeared, I was uh, both excited and kind of sad because I thought I have to find a new project to build. But after using ChatGPT for some time, I started seeing it kind of fail some tasks. It has improved, but its limitations are still there. And I would like to build something that is much better than ChatGPT in solving everything, like any problem. the so-called AGI, artificial general intelligence, is like a goal for this project. Some people claim that AGI has already been invented with GPT-4 or GPT-03. I am still not convinced, and I think there are two big limitations with the current systems. I have one phrase, a quote, which I have heard in a recent podcast with, I don't remember where was the podcast. Yeah, it was a YouTube channel which I frequently listen to, the Machine Learning Street Talk. So it was a podcast about the red lines in artificial intelligence, like things that if people would do, we could spiral into bad scenarios. One thing, one quote from this podcast was that current systems are based on empirical observations. They are more like alchemy. People don't understand what they are doing when they are building deep learning and generative models. They see improvements in the benchmarks, but they don't understand the principles behind it. Like, there is no clear explanation of how the system works. It's a phrase. So today I was thinking about this. Sometimes people tell you that doing something is good, to do it in a certain way. If you ask them why, they can't explain you. They consider it is good that way. They believe it is good that way, but they can't explain it. And if you can't explain something, I think you don't understand it. So we don't understand current systems, how current systems work. And because we don't understand them, we can't explain them. And if you can't explain it, it's a belief. It is a opinion. It's not something you can engineer. It's not something you can improve. And you may fall into the trap of thinking you are doing something good, but over the long term, you are doing something bad. For example, people have been smoking cigarettes for a long time. They didn't see anything bad for each cigarette, but over the long term, they have discovered that it's something bad. If you think something is good, without an explanation why it is good. Continuing to do it over the long term may lead you to dead ends and maybe something negative. So um, that's in a simple sense not sustainable. Just doing the same thing, and even if it has worked until now, that the systems have seen better and better results with scaling the models, more data, more parameters. It's not guaranteed that this will work. In mathematics is a simple principle. Just because you see an empirical trend, it doesn't mean it continues to forever. And proving it is essentially necessary to show it. So I think in the beginning I want to think about this problem from uh, an innovative perspective, and one of the frameworks that I think is good here, for example, is from first principles, as many people have said Elon Musk is thinking from. I don't understand why he doesn't think. Maybe he doesn't have time for this, has other problems to think from first principles, how to actually create AI. Because when you think from first principles, you can actually explain your thinking, and you can innovate, and you can create actually something new, to invent something. That's enough for today. I will create a repository, and um, I will tell you more about myself in the next videos, and maybe tell stories. I will try to post a video every day from now on, and I will not um, I will not struggle so much with editing and with scripting the videos, even if the quality is bad. I am not interested in building high quality YouTube channel, just interested in building something more for myself. And like I said, mm, building with the public. Maybe you see things I'm thinking wrong. Maybe you ask me interesting questions. Uh, and that's enough for today. I'll post another video tomorrow. See you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.